guys, Ivan here and welcome to new video. So today we are at BMW Auto Palace, Bratislava in Slovakia. Special thanks for having us here today at the premiere of the all-new 2023 BMW X1. And in this video we will take a closer look at the exterior interior, a little bit of the infotainment. Also on the left side there is new 7 Series in hybrid version. That will be a separate video. I also filmed the new 3 Series LCI, the facelift, so expect the video to come as well to the channel. So here is the spec sheet with technical values. These are all versions which you can get of the X1. So you have a pure petrol, pure diesel, then you have petrol 48 volt mild hybrid, diesel 48 volt mild hybrid, then you have also petrol plug-in hybrid in 2 versions, and also all-electric iX1. So many versions. BMW calls this the power of choice, and this car which we have here today is the most powerful petrol version with 218 horsepower and 7-speed automatic transmission. Let me know in the comment section down below how do you like this car and what do you think about it, and which color would you go for. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe. So this car has the shadow line package and also extended shadow line package. So everything what is possible to have in high gloss black is in high gloss black. Also the slats in the inside of the kidney grille, which is also in high gloss black. This particular car is the M Sport package. So the X1 you can get in standard, X line, and this the M Sport, which is the most sporty and most expensive. So this car is, in my opinion, must have in this M Sport. In my opinion, if I would order one, I would get it definitely in this M Sport package. You have outside M Sport and also on the interior, which we will check out shortly. And this is the third generation of the X1, the all new generation, not the facelift. This is the all new car. And let me know your choice if you would get this one or X-Line or standard one in the comment section down below. So this is the new color, which is called the Cape York Green. It has this sort of color like a gray and green together. We will check out from the back. There will be daylight, so you will see the color much better. Also here is very clever. The radar for the adaptive cruise control and assistance systems is hidden in the middle of the kidney grille with these like a line, so it looks like 3D. So this improvement I think is really good because it kind of hides this radar. And also we have new headlights which you can check out now. These are the BMW LED headlights. Also new daylight running lights in this new design, so let me know how do you like this BMW LED. I think the whole car basically looks much more angular, much more sharp than before, and basically it looks like a baby X3 or baby X5. Yeah, basically that's what I can tell you about this design. I think it looks larger than it is, and you can also see these bulges kind of inverted on the front hood. So yeah, different design for this. So very sharp, and actually looks bigger than it actually is, but it is like 5 centimeters, a little bit more longer than before. These wheel arches in M Sport package are painted in body color, which I find really great. The car looks more luxurious with it. And also for the first time you can get the X1 with 20-inch wheels, which are just massive. You can get 17, 18, 19, and these are the 20-inch. Also M Sport logo here on the front fender. So these are the 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. They're just huge. Let me know if you get these or maybe 19. I would probably go for the 18 or 19 because these are 245, 40. Yes, 40 is kind of a decent size of a tire, but still I would maybe go for 19 or maybe even 18 because yeah, the roads here can be bumpy, and yeah, I would not risk that probably. In Germany, Switzerland, I would probably go for 20. And very nice heads-up display as well for the first time, I believe, in the X1. And also these new handles, which are like aerodynamic. So from the top, they're like a hidden, and you open it like this. Also door closing sound. very solid, and doors more or less close itself, so you don't need to slam them in order to close them. And 245, 40 are 20, same size also at the rear. So yeah, in terms of the tire size, the 20 looks much better than 19. I really like them, but yeah, depends on the roads where you are driving for sure. So now we can check out the rear shoulder area, and the line I think is really a big highlight of this car as well. So as you can see, this Cape York green, you can see it now from the daylight side or from the window, and check out how the car looks. Really, it has this L-shape design for the tail lamps, and the whole car looks really great. 20-inch look just great on this car for sure. And you can see also on the M Sport package this black part, which is in high gloss black, and it goes from one side to another. So really great. This is also xDrive model 23i, and if you have xDrive, then you have mild hybrid. So that's what I saw from the sheet, from the spec sheet. And here you can also see these high gloss black parts. They should, like, I believe, imitate exhaust area, but they are not exhaust, so it's like a design feature. So these are the L-shaped tail lamps. You can see this pattern that's also on the 7 Series, and you can see here how the 3D on these sculpturing tail lamps, they look really great. Also now you can see someone is standing on the brake, and really great design in my opinion for the tail lamps. Also you can see this like a spoiler on the 5th door, and also this baby shark antenna. So xDrive 23i. You can also get a front-wheel drive, and this car shares many stuff with the 2 Series Active Tourer. So let me know how you like the rear design. I think it really is something really great what they have done with the X1. Also the 7 Series two-tone, so make sure to subscribe to check out that video as well. Also on the lower part you have 2 fins for the diffuser, and yeah, above that black part, let me know how you like this design feature. So here, if you open the fuel cap, you can see here the recommended fuel, which is 95, E5, E10, and even E25. So yeah, very nice. Now we can check out the boot capacity. So now we can open the tailgate, which is electric, and check out the boot space. So here for the IC version, you have a little bit larger boot than in the electric iX1. So this one has 540 liters, and this is 19 cubic feet, and here is some space underneath, so you can use that as well. So let me know what you think about this boot space. I think it's really usable space, and quite a lot actually. Also the rear seats have a split 40-20-40, so you can transport skis or something longer in the middle, and also you can operate the decline-incline on the backrest of the rear seats, which is really great. So here you can see the all-new design for the X1. You can see the 2 screens. One is smaller behind the steering wheel, and one is larger, the central screen in the middle. But the battery was extremely discharged, so I cannot even show you the infotainment. But it's very similar to what you can find in 7 Series, the new 8th generation of the BMW operating system. So in the doors you can see we have Harman Kardon Hi-Fi, memory seats, and also you can lock and unlock the car. The very nice materials upgrade, and also blue stitching, door closing sound. New steering wheel, which is thicker for the M Sport package. The interior is also in the Sport, so you cannot get like exterior this and interior this. It's combined. So also has to be in same style. So M Sport steering wheel, which is rounded, and you have controls to operate of the steering wheel, and some vents underneath the display. And also here you can see something smart. This is actually wire charging for a phone, and this hinge which should hold your phone in place, 2 cup holders, and also 2 USB-C ports, 12-volt socket. And you don't have the scroll here anymore. Underneath you have this smaller armrest and storage space, and underneath you have some place maybe for a handbag or some other bag. And here you have a gear lever for the transmission, glove compartment, which is decently sized. And now we can check out the seats. So these seats are completely new. So these are called the Alcantara and Sensatec Black. And also have contrasting top stitching in blue, panoramic sunroof. So very nice Alcantara and the Sensatec, which is the man-made leather. So let me know how you like this spec. I really like the Alcantara on the seats, and it's very easy to sit on it during summer and winter. So really great upgrade in terms of the interior. Alright guys, so now we can check out the rear seats. And yes, I filmed this first, so I didn't set the front seat as I would sit. So there will be a little bit difference, but we will check that as well. Harman Kardon as well as the hi-fi system. Very nice materials, definitely an upgrade. Place for your water bottle, and as you can see, top stitching in the blue, very nice as well. So here are the rear seats, same Sensatec and Alcantara as in the front. You can also see this M Sport 3 colors, very nice. So you can change the angle of the backrest as well. Here is the close-up of the Alcantara and Sensatec. Let me know which interior would you go for, this one or leather. So here in the middle is the armrest with two cup holders which are adjustable. So now we can hop inside and check it out in a little bit of the more detail. Alright guys, so now inside, and you have decent size, but as I told you, the front seat is probably more forward than I would sit, but still I would say there is like 2 inches of legroom, which is still really great. Also here we have 2 USB-C ports, vents for the AC, and little storage space, which is shallow. Yeah, very practical car and quite large, I would say. I was talking to a guy which had X3, and he told me there is less space than in this new X1. So really great achievement in my opinion, and also in his opinion. Here is also the panoramic sunroof and the look at the front from the rear. Alright guys, so that's it for the review of the new 2023 BMW X1, the all-new third generation of the X1. Let me know in the comment section down below how do you like this car and what do you think about it, and which color would you go for. Definitely let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.